Why do 90% of crypto enthusiasts prefer mobile apps to sell Bitcoin? Let's dive in and find out. First, pick a reliable platform. Popular crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken have user-friendly apps. Prefer peer-to-peer? Check out Paxful or Local Bitcoins for direct buyer connections. Next, create an account and verify your identity. This usually means a quick KYC process with some personal info and ID upload. Now, deposit your Bitcoin. For exchanges, transfer your Bitcoin to your wallet. On P2P platforms, you'll interact directly with the buyer. Time to sell. On exchanges, specify how much Bitcoin you're selling, choose your payment method, set a price, and confirm. For P2P, find a buyer, agree on terms, and follow the platform's trade steps. Finally, receive your funds. Depending on the platform, your money will transfer to your bank or chosen payment method. Always remember to stay secure, watch out for fees, and be mindful of price fluctuations. And there you have it. Selling Bitcoin on a mobile app made easy.